What's goody, guys? It's your boy Markie Ace over here. Yeah, back at it again with another video. So you guys already know the title of this video. People will be making them loud ass snores sometimes when they're sleeping, or them really quiet snores. But whatever it is, when you snore, it's sometimes out of pocket. I know it's like a natural thing, but people be snoring like this and that. But yeah, guys, let's get right to it. Here is types of snores. Let's get to it.
The quiet snore. The loud snore. The super loud earthquake snore.
Yo!
Singing in your sleep.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Talking in your sleep.
Yo, man. God damn. Lana Rhodes, will you marry me already? God damn.
The moaning snore. The dance snore. The barking snore. The hissing snore. The seizure snore. The fart snore. What kind of snore is this? The auto-tune snore. The make a beat snore. The howling snore.
And that's the end of the video, guys. So if you made it to the end of the video, please give this video a like and subscribe if you are new. And your boy, has got another video coming up soon, But that's gonna do it for today. As I'm heading out. Alright, now I'm gonna see you guys next time.